Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And we've seen in the past and even today, manufacturers that sell new PCs often will have deals with software makers. So that's why a new PC might come with Norton or McAfee antivirus trial and all sorts of other software. Now, it seems that Google is going to partner with HP, and they're trying to also partner with other companies. When you'll buy a new PC, you will get Google Essentials, which they didn't show what it was. They didn't talk really much about it. But it's interesting that in a time when Google is being sued everywhere, that they are just going ahead and trying to get a big foothold and grasp the market through a partnership with these big companies. So it's not totally clear what Google Essentials will be like, but one of the things they're saying is that there would be shortcuts for the Google Calendar, Google Maps, the Google Play Games Play Store, because you can have games in Windows 11 through the Play Store, and Google Drive, and so on. And I wouldn't be surprised it'd be a link to Google Chrome. Now, what does it mean, and wow, it's going to show up probably, in the start menu, and we'll have the icons pop up somewhere. But this has been a war for users for a long time. I remember as a tech guy, I would first thing I would say to people that had a completely brand new computer was, okay, we're going to reinstall Windows first of all, without all the crap that the company where that the manufacturer of your PC added to it. It's always something that I hated over time, because the more you have added crap from the beginning, the more the chances of something going wrong or having problems. Plus, a lot of people don't know exactly what to do. I don't know how many of my clients came back and said, "Oh, I bought a new PC 2 months ago, and I don't know what to do with that. It seems the antivirus is expiring, and I don't understand." It's like, yeah, because you got a trial. And so there's so many of these crappy things happening with manufacturers. It's just crazy. It'd be nice if manufacturers would just do one simple thing. How about selling a Windows PC with just Windows on it, and let the user decide what they want to do afterwards? So we'll see what happens, and it's once again, I would say maybe a little controversial, considering what's happening with Google right now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.